So a bottle of Tusker, for example, the recommended retail selling price is 190.
Yeah.
A similar product in Uganda and Tanzania is probably selling at 100. So if you go to
equivalent of 100.
Equivalent of 100 shillings. You go to most of our border towns, people would rather cross over
For
to
a
the
beer.
other and drink a beer on the other side and walk back. And just to enumerate to you how skewed this is. So out of that 107 shillings is actually tax. Excise, VAT, and what we pay as corporation tax.
Out of what now?
Out of the
190.
90
Out of the 190.
Yes.
in the
Okay.
Tusker.
107 is government. Yeah. So we have another 25 shillings, which is the trade margins we give to our distributors and to the retail. Then we are left with 57 shillings. This 57 shillings is what KBL is going to pay the farmer for the grain.
Your employees?
Our employees, my salary comes out of that. Our distribution, because remember we distribute all the products to all our distributors across the country. All our overhead costs, all our selling and advertising expenses, the dividends we are paying to the shareholders, and any financing costs that we have borrowed from the banks. So the biggest shareholder in our business is actually
Is the government.
Wow.
They should actually be sitting in our strategy sessions and asking us, how do we grow your business?
Right.
And now, given this 57 shillings that you're splitting, how many employees do you have?
So we have about 1,200 employees direct, but then we have
The
others
distributors,
through.
yeah.
So distributors are not directly under us, so they're not our employees, but
But they make money.
yes, so we have
Yeah.
to give them the margin because they have to be able to distribute us.
So that's what is actually jeopardized, and that's why I was asking about the worst case scenario is if we can no longer afford your beer or your products,
Yeah.
then you start going down that route.
Of course, yeah, because if you look at even the impact of cost inflation on our sector, on labels, glass, the packaging material that we use, it's gone up quite significantly. And we have to think really hard about how to cut costs in our business. So a lot of that work on productivity, because we don't want people to lose jobs.